Good morning. Today is October 18th, 2019. My name is Olawale Okabolo, Spartacus Trading Corporation, here to bring you the pre-market report for today, being the 18th. It's about 8:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, if I did not mention. Just kicking off with the monthly. Not much has changed. If there's any change to the monthly, we will take out October's open trading to the downside. Other than that, one time framing down 1 month. However, the overall trend is up. We have this excess low that we've been talking about forever. We're within a 3 month and 2 month balance area. Nothing has changed. On the weekly, nothing has changed. We're to one time framing up 2 weeks. We broke the one time framing down. The trend is still up. We're still in a multi week balance area. Nothing has changed. We're above the half backs, above all the balance areas. On the daily, nothing has changed. We're still one time framing up 1 day. We did open above, gapping yesterday. We had the potential for the outside day. Could not get any acceptance above the 2 day at the time. The 2 day balance area high that I talked about brought in some liquidation. Liquidation came in, but we could not get to the outside day. Folks are buying, keeping this market up. Let's go to a profile for further details. Here's a profile, kind of like an ugly balanced profile. Um, we talked about the gap. We gapped higher. Here's the open. We gapped higher. Tried to trade above the 2 day balance area high, which is here. Could not get any acceptance. Market liquidated via one time framing, and then caught a bid right here at the settle from today. This is Thursday. Settle from Wednesday, which is also a prominent point of control, and then the market trade higher. No more sellers joined in. Those sellers who were shorting, they had to cover, and then the market pretty much balanced for the rest of the day. Bring in the overnight. I talked about on yesterday's morning report the stops that are accumulating under here. You can see it for yourself. We have another level where the market bought again. What do you think is under here? They bought from yesterday. What do you think is under here? Then again in the overnight, they bought again. What do you think is under here? Doesn't mean we're going to get it, but you understand what's going on in the market all of a sudden. I don't care, news, call it what you want. EU, Brexit, China, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Fed, whatever you want to call it. If the market decides to sell off, you know what's under here, you know what should happen, and then that can possibly start to get us into a this gap entry. This gap entry is right here, and looking to fill the gap. So coming into today, we pretty much right now we're trading in a chop zone, what I call a chop zone, where um, you want to let the market open up and shake out, show its hand. If there's anything going to the upside, we'll begin to get some overlapping, if not higher, value. If there's anything to the downside, we'll begin to one time frame. You can see the structure from the overnight. If this holds going into the open, you could get some liquidation. This is now having overnight inventory long and compared to the settle. In addition, long since the overnight made the low. So you could get some liquidation if the market cannot catch a bid to the upside. Today could setting up to be very tricky. There's no news. It can be very tricky, or it could be a dead day. So be careful out there. That's really all I got. This is Oluwale Okabola, Sparkers Trading Corporation, wishing you a good day.